Does the city acknowledge that its failure to notify residents could expose it or the province to liability for negligence? Tensions high in a jam-packed room in Richmond. Residents just looking for answers and certainty on what the Couch and Land's decision could mean for them and their property, leading to a mayor on edge.
I said we have the same corner. Do we have to shut it down?
The town hall was organized by Richmond City Hall in an attempt to answer questions around the Supreme Court ruling, putting into question fee simple land title for a chunk of property in Richmond. The frustration from residents directed towards both the province and the city. The BC government now trying a new legal strategy to provide some certainty. The Attorney General and her team have been gathering the information that they need to be able to file an application for a stay. A stay is a pause on the decision until the Court of Appeal has an opportunity to consider. But for some residents, the damage of uncertainty has already been done. One resident telling the packed room the banks won't approve his mortgage removal because of the ruling, while others are fearful of the impact this will have on property values. Realtor Adam Weidel was at the meeting, has also sent a letter to the City of Richmond about his concerns.
You have an economy that's really founded on property ownership, property rights, and people have a ton of equity tied up in their homes. If that disappears overnight, it's going to be a big concern.
Conservative leader John Rustad was at the meeting in Richmond and brought the issue forward in question period. He says the government must provide certainty to the residents of Richmond around their private property and their ability to access mortgages and insurance.
In order to be able to have insurance and a mortgage, you need to know what a value of a property is. You need to know what your rights of a private property is, and that is now in question mark.
The Conservatives also warning that until there's clarity, it will not just be a pact in Richmond, but an entire province dealing